Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have Boxycharm base box. So if you want to see what I got this month for July, then stick around.
There must be another way, there must be conscience, different things in different ways. There must be love, there must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
The base box is $25 a month now. It changed like a couple months ago, so if that's wrong, I'll put the correct price across the screen for you. The first thing that I'm pulling out is by Alamar Cosmetics. It looks like it is a lippy, and let's read about it. It says birthday suit lip gloss. I love any kind of lip product. I love lip gloss, matte lipsticks, regular lipsticks. I love them all. I'm not into lip pencils as much. I just don't reach for them, but I love lip gloss. Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit, wink, a universally gorgeous pink diamond drip gloss. My battery is flashing, so I hope I can get through this. So let's see. Ooh. It smells really good. It smells like birthday cake. All right, next thing I'm pulling out is Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. And the Alamar Cosmetics was worth $15 if I didn't say. This says get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. And it's worth $25. Let's just see what it looks like. I'm trying to do it in the camera lens, so, or viewfinder. What do you think? Let's see what it looks like on my hand as well. Yeah, it's like a golden matte color, or golden shimmer color, and gold is the color, it says. All right, next up I have something by Clean Skin Club, Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It was open, the box was. Ooh, this is a really pretty, did I choose this? I don't know, I think I did, but it's a really pretty bottle. I wonder if it has any kind of scent. No, yeah, it's got like a clean soapy scent, which it's okay. Feels nice though. Let's see how it dries as I talk about it. The Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts. That's why it smells like shampoo. Come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. And it's worth $49.95. The Studio Makeup, did I say, was worth $25 for this thing? So there's that. The next thing is usually a palette. So this is from Ace Beauty, Bronzed in Paradise, it says. There are the colors, so it must be a bronzing palette. The Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products, and it's worth $30. I'm not gonna swatch this because I don't need it. Okay, so my battery did die. The last product that I have here is from the Creme Shop, and it's the Next Generation Blender Set, travel friendly sponge, triple cut, latex, vegan, and cruelty free. So there's a duo in there. Let's see what these feel like, because I'm kind of a beauty blender snob. I really do like that brand, because I feel like some of the ones that you find at TJ Maxx are like so stiff and hard as a rock, and I like the really soft ones, and these are really, really soft. I do usually wet my beauty blenders, so, but it's nice. I like it. I can't wait to try this new brand that I've never heard of. Okay. This says, a duo of uniquely cut sponges designed to apply and blend cosmetics to all areas of the face, including those hard to reach places a traditional brush or sponge can't get to. Easily apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. They are worth $22. So just a recap, we got some little sponges, the Clean Skin Brightening Booster, a bronzing palette, an eyeshadow, a lip gloss from Alamar Cosmetics. Is that it? I think that's it. If you are brand new to my channel, I just want to say welcome and thanks for stopping by. If you are a oldie but goodie, then I'm glad that you're here as well. I am going to tell you that this, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in a little giveaway. Why not? I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and when I do, I'm gonna have a big old giveaway, and I'm hoping to hit it by August. So if you could help me out, that'd be great. But if you can tell me to enter to win the Ace Beauty bronzer palette, and I'll stick some extras in there too, a little mystery grab bag, then all you have to do is, of course, you had to watch this whole video, plus you have to tell me who joined me in my Boxy Premium unboxing. So you have to be a subscriber, you have to tell me who made an appearance in my Boxy Premium unboxing, and yeah, you can win a mystery grab bag, and it will include this bronzer palette. All right, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.